Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Bull. In this video I will be showing you how to add liquidity pool staking to Uniswap, or how to do a pair or pool staking on Uniswap. Many of you on my Patreon have been privately contacting me and you have been asking me how to do this. So to make it very easy for everyone who is absolutely new to this, I will be doing it step by step, by details, by showing you everything. First thing, I will be using MetaMask. If you don't have MetaMask, as you can see, I have MetaMask here, and today we will be adding Ethereum and Reef pair. I will open my MetaMask expanded view. To do this, you just click on your MetaMask, and here on these three dots you click on expanded view, and it will open your MetaMask in web browser. Second thing what we will need to do is open Uniswap. Okay, in the right top corner we click on use Uniswap, and we can close this original Uniswap window altogether. So we are left only with Uniswap. And third thing what we will be doing, we will open CoinMarketCap. Okay, open CoinMarketCap, and on CoinMarketCap search, in search let's type in Reef, because I will be doing a Reef Ethereum pair staking. And why did I open here CoinMarketCap is because I need contract number, guys. And to do this, to get a contract number, exact contract number for Reef, you can click here on Explorers and it will open you here contract number. As you can see here on the right hand side, you will be able to find this contract number. Clicking here copy address, you will be able to get this contract number of Reef. And once you have contract number, you can close this Etherscan altogether. And what we will be doing now, guys, we will be adding staking on Uniswap for Ethereum and Reef pair. First thing what you need to understand is that when you are adding some pair on Uniswap, there are two options how you can do it. You can create your own pair, but obviously if there is already created pairs, better to not create your own pair, but go with those pairs which are already there. And that's what we will be doing in this video, guys. We will be adding Ethereum Reef pair. This means that we will be staking our Ethereum and Reef, and we will be making 0.3% from each transaction which is happening here. That's the main purpose, because earnings are rather big, but you can also lose money, but I will not be getting into that. If you are interested, watch more videos, because this video, purely purpose of this video will be to show you how you can add this staking. So to add staking, guys, click here on charts. You will open charts, and first you will need to find your pair. And as you remember, we copied that Ethereum contract address for Reef, so click here in search and paste that contract number here, and it will find you exact cryptocurrency by this contract number. As you can see, it found reef.finance. Just click into reef.finance, and here it will open you all information on this of Reef of Finance. Then you scroll down, and here you will see these top pairs, guys. And what we are looking for, as you can see, there are Ethereum Reef pair, there is USDT Reef pair, and there is USDC Reef pair. We will be adding liquidity because we want to earn from Ethereum and Reef. So we will click in first one, Ethereum Reef, and it will open this page where you will be able to see liquidity which is already added. And this way, by the way, guys, you can check by this contract number liquidity to any cryptocurrency on Uniswap by taking contract number, as we did in this video. This first field is total liquidity. This is what liquidity is already added there on Uniswap for particular token. As you can see, for there is 1 million liquidity. Pooled tokens, this means that these tokens are locked for this liquidity, is 297 Ethereum currently, and 12.6 million of Reef tokens. If you want to add liquidity, or if you want to do your staking here on Uniswap or any other of these dexes which are similar to Uniswap, if you are creating these pools, this means that you need to add equal part of each token. Today we will be adding liquidity for Ethereum and Reef. This means that I need to add the same amount Ethereum as I'm adding Reef, and that way this pair which you will be adding will be able to provide liquidity, and when you will be providing liquidity, you will be making your part of all pool which is added. This means percentage wise how much you will add. For example, currently, as you can see, there is liquidity for this pair 1 million, guys. If you will add 100 million, you will be making tenth part of all fees. As you can see, in 24 hours there were $23,995 in profits, guys. So if you would add 100,000 liquidity yourself, like 50,000 in Reef and 50,000 in Ethereum, then you would be making in 24 hours $2,390, guys. Tenth part from all these fees which were generated in 24 hours. I hope you get the idea. So guys, so if we want to now add liquidity, as you can see here on the right top corner, there is this button, add liquidity. Just click on that button. As you can see, it says here, tips: when you are adding liquidity, you will receive pool tokens representing your position, and I will show you those pool tokens. Those are pool tokens pretty much telling you how much percentage you are owing in that particular pool. I'm talking about that pool which was 1 million. These tokens automatically earn fees proportional to your share of the pool and can be redeemed at any time. So Ethereum, I will be adding 2.5 Ethereum, and I will be adding for 2.5 Ethereum, I will be adding 110,231 tokens. And here at the very bottom you can see that this is 0.85% of all pool. So let's click supply here and click confirm supply, and I will need to pay this transaction for entry fee. As you can see here, guys, 2.5, and entry fee will be $39, as you can see here on the right hand side. I click confirm, so I start this transaction and click close here, and there we will need to wait a little bit. And once you have added liquidity and this transaction goes through, next thing what you need to do is here on the left top corner, go to this button pool. As you see, click pool, and here you will be able to see your pool which you have added liquidity. If you don't see it, refresh this page, click here on manage, and you will be able to see here your total pool tokens. These are those tokens with which you are participating in this particular pool, are 398.9 in my position, guys. And then pool ethered, you can see that you have added 2.53 Ethereum, and pool at Reef, I have added 107,000 of this Reef, and your pool share is 0.84%. So as you remember from that percentage which I was showing you, which was 23,000 in last 24 hours, I will be earning 0.84%. Pretty much 1% from all those $23,000. I will be making 1% every single day, or depending on how many transactions will be made. It could be more than 23 or 24,000, or it could be less. It depends on how many transactions will be made on Uniswap. But I will be making, as you can see, this one 0.84, this percentage from this number, the 23,959. So yes, guys, this is pretty much how you can add liquidity. But if you would like to remove, open Uniswap application, connect your wallet, go into pool, you will get redirected to this page, and you click remove, and by clicking on remove you will also have to pay transaction fees. So be aware, guys, when you are adding these transactions, or when you are adding this pooling, staking, you will be paying transaction fee, and when you will be removing, you will also be paying this transaction fee. I would recommend you to not stake less than $3,000 value, or you will not be profitable. And always do your research before you are staking some tokens, or if you are new to this staking, guys, do some more research on YouTube videos about staking, about risks which are there, and how much you should stake, and so on and so forth, guys. But in general, I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.